everyone, Francine here. Today we're gonna talk about, do we need gaiters? What is that? Anyway, long story short, gaiters are pretty common here in BC. Everybody wears them, but those gaiters are pretty big and they are good for warmth, for warmth, and when you're hiking like during cold weather or when you're doing like snowshoeing and stuff like that. But are they necessary for the Camino? Not really. You're not going to be encountering anything that is going to be that necessary. However, there is a kind of gaiters that would be very helpful, and those are this kind. Those are very simple and you can make it yourself. You can buy as well. It's pretty common for trail runners and some like sandy hikes. And you can buy some specific from Salomon or other kinds for running, but you can actually make this on your own. All you need is like a buff, a gaiter, neck gaiter, and then you literally just cut this in half so you can use one for each leg. Kind of check out the circumference of your ankle and make it so that it's nice and snug, and then you just hand sew it. Like kind of in this format, in this shape. Can you see it there? There you go. This shape. And you hand sew it. And then I did put a little Velcro on the back. I did sew it, but you could just glue it, although some people could worry about losing them. But you do want to leave this very long at the top because you want to be able to tuck them in to your shoes at the very front where it laces up. And I also did sew in the back of my shoes. Those are my trail runners. They're really old. They have holes in the back, but I really like wearing my gaiters for sandy hikes and whatnot. And pretty much what they do is to help keep sand and debris away from your shoes. It's really good for avoiding blisters on your Camino. Are they really necessary? No, not really. But if you're doing like Camino del Norte or somewhere that you're gonna be like walking along the beach, then they may be very helpful. For the other Caminos, you will want every so often wanna stop and get off your shoes off to give your feet some breathing. You could also like just change your socks and clean up inside. I get lots of debris inside my shoes when I don't wear gaiters. Can you see like some wood debris? But anyway, if your shoes have this little hook in the middle, it's fine too. You can still put the tip on the side. And yeah, that's it, guys. Pretty easy to make. Just cut them up, sew like on an angle, put it above your shoes, Velcro on the back, and roll it around. I've never had issues with mine. I get to walk all day. They don't roll down, and I don't get any debris inside my shoes. Even like on super sandy dunes that we do have here in BC, on certain hikes, it does really help, and I do recommend. But to say it's necessary, no, it's not. Just they're so light and easy to pack. You could also just have it in your bag and decide on the go, and there you go. I hope you found this helpful, and Buen Camino. See you soon. Bye.